I got the Viral Peel Off Waterproof Lip Gloss. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. I'm so excited to try this. I'm going to clip my hair back and take the lipstick I have got on now off. It's very hard to pick what shade I want to go for because they all look beautiful. But obviously I've got a very pink look on, so I think I'm going to go for this one. But this one is definitely calling my name for another day. This one is in the shade Lovely Peach, and it just looks like a super pretty, like, pale pink colour. It looks like such a dark red coming out of the tube. I'm so scared to try this. It says to apply the stain to your lips and then leave it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. It's a lot more like liquidy than I expected it to be. So I'll leave that to dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to come back and peel it off. Alright, I've left that to dry now and let's try and peel it off. Go over it with a wipe just to make sure that I've got all the excess off. That is the finished result. So it's a little bit darker than the colour I expected, but I'm guessing that'll fade over time. And look how beautiful that looks. My lips feel really hydrated and they literally feel ready to go. That is such a nice way to make sure you've got really nice, healthy looking lips for a few days. It'd be great in the summer when you're not wearing as much makeup. You can pop that on and then for a couple of days you've got amazing looking lips. You know which colour I should try next? The only thing I would say is I was a bit messy, got a little bit on my teeth, so be careful when you do that. But overall, very, very happy.